What's going on, folks? It's day 34. As far as the night crawlers go, we're just gonna keep pushing forward and went and got replacements. So doubled up this time. Let's go. Starting with the babies or the younger ones. Next, some adults. From there, just evening this out. And instead of leaving them in the garage, these shall be stored in the house. And here is the red wiggler bin. These are actually doing okay. This didn't even dry out at all, pretty much. And I'm gonna add some to this one as well. Some more, might as well, right? And while I'm at it, I might as well shout out to Evergreen. Shout out to y'all. I don't know who made this one, but shout out to the whole Canada then. All right, moving over to segment 2. Everything must be flipped. Everything must be shifted. Back down to 9 pounds, no problem till we get some more green. But everything must be flipped. All right, and as far as taking temperatures of piles go, I'll have to limit that to only spare green piles and piles that are like less than a month old. So without further ado, spare green pile outside temps. $66 to $70. Spare green pile inside temps. So all piles are cracked open. Time to add our amendments. But we'll do for pile 2, we'll do some of that spare green pile. For pile 3 and 4, watermelon. Alright. Added some spare green to pile 2. Alright, and now pile 3 and 4. That seems about even, but I have to break these down further. So, be back. All amendments added. The Jason put to work. This one has more fleshy material. This one has more peelings material. But let's get to mixing. Alright, so now that I think about it, for pile 1, right, this is the perfect time to do a consistency test. See how it's just easily able to crumble up. This is where I want it to be.